One of the core innovations we have made at Tracking First is based on our belief that a company's current saint tables contain clues as to how codes are typically created and classified within the organization. Our ability to automatically determine which classifications are relevant and how each one should be populated is what sets us apart. So why would we advertise our newly released ability to turn all of that automation off? The answer is that we'll never turn it off for people in charge. But as you begin to delegate the task of tracking code creation across the organization, you are bound to encounter marketers who don't really get the web analytics side of things. They have one task on their mind: to launch the campaign. Delegating classification work to people with that mindset is risky business. Chances are they'll do something wrong, despite Tracking First's provision of guidance and suggestions. For these individuals, we want to make the tasks of code creation, classification, and link retrieval completely foolproof. Notice this example, where a user has accessed a pattern where constraints have been set. Highlighted cells are not editable. In fact, the only decision this user needs to make is how many tracking codes to generate. Administrators, or users who have been given permission to edit this pattern, will see this checkbox that allows auto-population to be suspended, replaced with custom constraints. Notice also that the auto-population tools are still employed to help you as you set constraints, where some fields may be hidden by default, while others are pre-populated or set up as a drop-down list of multiple items. But now you can configure these default values and lock them in if you don't want the users to have the freedom to change them when they're creating codes.